Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode you can simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, and it will get highlighted, and it means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And once you're done you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable Do Not Disturb mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, and the icon will change the color back to white or gray, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And then of course you can press the home button again to go back to watch face. We can also turn on and off schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode, so basically when it should turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it we need to open the settings, so let's wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on the settings icon, in settings let's scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode option and tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have two options. We have Do Not Disturb whole day, and if you tap on the box next to it, it will enable the Do Not Disturb mode, and it's gonna stay enabled until you disable it. And if you tap on it again, you will disable it, basically. And the second option is Do Not Disturb mode, or Do Not Disturb time period. And this allows you to set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, basically when it should turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So tap on this option. As you can see, we have a start time here, and we can swipe up and down on the hours and minutes to set it up. And once you're done with the start time, tap on the arrow to go to the end time. And then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, now we have the time period, and basically my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10 past 10 a.m. and turning off 50 past 10 p.m. basically, so it's gonna stay on for this period of time. And once you're done you can also press the home button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Okay. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.